I'm just gonna say gear up. Gear the freak up, bro. For real. Let me see. So spoiled kids refuse to go to bed. Mm, 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 mm. Man, I need some water. This gonna be tough.
Okay, well, it's time for bed.
Hold on. Look at this.
You want me to take your iPad away? No! Okay, well, it's time for bed. No! Not go to bed! No! Come on.
I'm not ready to go to bed.
Come on, I gave you an extra hour.
I said, no, it's not time for bed. Chill out. It's 9 o'clock. I am 12 years old. Stop treating me like a baby.
Let's
I'm
go.
not going to bed. We're not going to bed. Can you hear her?
Let's
no!
go.
We're not going to bed. No! What do you not understand?
Okay, fine. You can have 1 more hour.
You go to bed. Yeah, you go to bed. Yeah.
Okay. Cameron, what are you doing with the doorbell? What are you doing with the doorbell?
Why are you in my business like that?
Cuz, why are you making that light skin pose like that? I'm just gonna show you our Mythical Candy Factory freeze-dried haul that we got. Twinkies, hot cocoa, fruit salad. It comes with all this, guys. It's so heavy. Freeze-dried fruit roll-ups, sour Skittles, bazookas, and it's freeze-dried. Favorite peach rings. Cameron. Oh, look, a sale. 50% off. Let's see what we get for that. What is this?
Yep. All I want to say, hold on, let me. Ooh, boy, let me. Y'all, please give me a second, man. This is crazy. Oh Lord, help me. Mm. All right, man, I can't even sit still right now. This honestly is what happens when you don't have a strong father figure in the home. And I know it's gonna piss a lot of people off. I love pissing y'all off when I say that. But this is honestly what the freak happens. Because if you had a strong father figure in the house, none of this stuff would be taking place. Because even if you look at the end of this video, she had like little laughing emojis. Children are getting out of hand. They're being disrespectful. And the last thing that a strong father figure is going to do, their dad, is laugh at situations like this. No, they're going to check that every time. And see, that's the reason. I mean, that's literally the reason why you have stuff like this that continues to happen, man. The next generation is so freaking, well, a lot of them are so freaking cooked because of stuff like this. We are laughing or allowing stuff. You got that girl is 12 years old. You have a 12-year-old, and I don't know if this young, whatever you want to call them. Y'all, give me this is crazy, bro. This type of stuff should not exist. Like, it's literally turning my stomach just looking at this. Hitting down on the cushion at his mom and telling her what he not gonna do. I ain't doing it. I'm not doing it. And then you pump them full of this doggone this candy, this mess, this junk, and you wonder why they always on doggone amp mode. Wonder why they're not listening. Wonder why so many of these kids have ADD and ADHD. It's literally in the foods that you give them. It's literally in everything that y'all continue to do. You continue to reward bad behavior by giving them this type of crap, ignoring, laughing at, and then posting this type of stuff online like it's funny. Ain't nothing funny about this. Ooh. And here, yeah, you might accumulate some views. You might make some money off of this content, but at what expense? These kids are going to grow up to adults that think stuff like this is okay. And when they get slapped in the face by the real world, thanks, Mom. I appreciate it. Thank you so much for letting this stuff slide. Now look at them. Most of these individuals end up unalive, in jail, or in some type of mental hospital or on the street somewhere because you didn't prep them when they were younger, when they were in your household, because you're not going to be here forever. right? And what you should be doing is preparing them for the world, preparing them for the real world. Because when they get out there, their supervisor, their boss, their manager, or whatever, they're not going to extend the same grace that their mother is extending to them. So hopefully, this young lady is going to make way more than enough money to be able to take care of these two individuals until she's long gone. Hopefully, that's a doggone case. This is crazy, man. This is crazy. I don't see content like this and laugh. I don't think stuff like this is funny at all. Because what I think and what I believe is that she's literally setting these children up for failure. Literally. On these dang on I'm trying to be respectful. On these freaking tablets 24/7 when they're not in school. Y'all let me know. What do you guys think down in the comments about this, man? What are y'all thoughts on this young lady and her two children? What are y'all thoughts? Let me know. Drop it down in the comments, all right?
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa, too bad was you know they roll.